Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you what is the difference between opacity and fill in Adobe Photoshop. For this particular demonstration I have downloaded this photo from pixabay.com. You can also download it from the description of this particular video. Now let's discuss what is the difference between opacity and fill. I'm going to show you with an example. Let me put in some text on this particular layer. Wall. Let me increase the size of this text by holding the shift key. Let's put in right in the middle of this layer. Now this is our text layer and I'm going to apply some effects to it. Right click, go to blending options. Here I'm going to apply bevel and emboss. Click over it and you can see under the bevel and emboss, this is the structure that has been applied. These are the shadings and everything pretty much clear to you. You can just work around to see what looks best in your case. In the style you can see I have applied outer bevel, technique chisel hard, depth you can tweak it to suit your kind of photo, and I think this is pretty much good for me. So I will click OK. Now let's see what is the difference between opacity and fill. I'm going to select this layer and this time I will decrease the opacity to 0 and there you go, everything is gone. Let me bring it back to 100. Now I'm going to decrease the fill and let me decrease it to 0 and there you go. You can see this time we can see something on the wall. So what you have observed over here is, in case of opacity, everything is affected that is present in a layer. While in case of fill, everything will be affected apart from the layer style that have been applied to it. The bevel and emboss effect was applied, that is still there, but the rest of the things like text and its color is gone. So in short, we can say that opacity will affect the transparency of everything that is in the selected layer, while fill will ignore the effects that have been applied to that layer. I hope you have understood the difference between fill and opacity. If you have found this tutorial useful, please leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.